all the year over 10 people, I like your hair, can I take a picture? I'll just you know, I was just feeling myself. Everybody was just taking a.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've already seen my Instagram feed, you would know that for the past 2 weeks now, I've been rocking these stitch braid cornrows, as you can see. And so I just wanted to take you guys through the whole process from how I got the stitch braids, how I made my hair, how I prepped my hair before the process, and then my thoughts on the service as well. So I decided to write them down in some points so that I don't forget what I want to tell you guys. Okay, so to begin with, I wanted to talk about the state of my hair before I finally decided to braid the hairstyle that I did. So I decided to do a protein treatment, and I have a video of it in my channel. It's called the mayonnaise protein treatment, and it's a DIY treatment, so it's very easy to do. And if you don't have money to buy one of those expensive protein treatments that we see in the stores, you can just make your own. So what I did was, after the protein treatment, I decided to blow dry my hair. And usually I only blow dry my hair once a year because of heat damage. And during Hamatan, it's very dry, so I usually do it during this time so that it doesn't revert back to normal. So after I blow dried my hair, I realized that it was sort of reverting because at that time the Hamatan hadn't really set in. To try and combat the humidity aspect of the whole thing, I decided to thread my hair. So I just divided my hair into sections, and then the basic African threading method is what I used. So after I did all of that, I didn't braid my hair right away because I had stuff to do. But then like 2 days later, I contacted this, she's a braider and she's on Instagram. Her name is Crane Braids. Her IG account, sorry, is called Crane Braids. So I'll try and put a link to her page down below so that you guys can check her out. She's really, really good. So she's actually located around, she's in certain, where is she? She's actually located at Kokomlemle. And I'm coming from Adenta, so it's a bit of a journey, but then it's worth it because she's a really, really good braider. So going to the next point, the kind of hair that I used. I used the normal ultra that we use. It's actually outre, but Ghanaians say ultra. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So I used 2 packs of the ultra wig. And then I actually bought 3 packs because we were thinking that the 2 packs wouldn't be enough. But then it was actually enough. So I had 1 pack left and I took that back home. And then for the period of braiding, I think it took like almost 3 hours. I think because of how thick my hair is, that's why it took such a long time. So we started around like 12:30, I think, and then we ended when it was almost 3 or past 3. I can't really tell you the exact time that we ended, but then yeah, that's what happened. And okay, so with the pain factor, if you have like a tender scalp, like don't do it. Just don't do it, because I feel like if you have natural hair, and because they're trying to get the stitch effect, I think sometimes it might be a bit more painful than if you just braided with like braided another style. So it was sort of painful. And when I got home and like, you know, the first day of braiding where you're trying to like sleep, it's really, really uncomfortable. And as you can see, it's in the center of my head, so you can't really sleep on like the back of your head. You have to like either go to one side or the other side. It was a bit difficult. But after like a week, I didn't feel any pain anymore. It was really, really, how do I say, it was not painful at all. It was comfortable, and I got a lot of compliments because I work at the airport. Like all the year over 10 people, I like your hair, can I take a picture? And I was just you know, I was just feeling myself. Everybody was just taking the pictures of like the back of my head. I'm going to put a picture of the back of my head on my Instagram feed so that you guys can see how bomb the back is. Like, she really, really knows how to like make you slay and make people like feel your hair. Yes, she can do that. So you guys should really, really check her out. And yeah, so with the service, I would say she's really nice, really friendly, and she's really, really good at what she does. So I'm sure like if I have another style in my mind, like another braid style I want to do, I'll definitely hit her up and go to her, because I really like how she did my hair. So with the stitch effect, you can't see the stitch effect anymore, because, and I think it's actually because of how my hair is, honestly. But then the first week of braiding the hair, I could see the stitch effect. So you could actually see the small stitch effect. But then, you know, with 4C hair, I feel you wouldn't get that like detail for a long period of time. So after like a week and a half, I couldn't see anything anymore. But it don't matter, because it's still bomb. As you can see, it still looks neat, like it's nice. I hope you guys enjoy my little vlog, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you. Hello guys, so I'm getting ready to head out to braid my hair at Crane Braids, and I decided to blow dry my hair before threading it, but then it didn't really stretch as much as I wanted it to, but I think it's okay for the style that I want to achieve. So this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, it's not really that stretched, it's a bit frizzy, but let's see if this works out, so please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm just heading off to the station to take another car. Guys, so I'm finally here, and I'm just waiting for it to come so that we start the process. So I'll keep you guys posted. I can still shut down the party. I can hang with anybody. I can drink whiskey. Guys, so I'm finally done. As you can see, it took a while, but I'm glad because it looks really good. So see you guys later. Okay guys, so that was my little vlog. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. When I taste tequila, baby, I still see you cutting up the floor, sorority t-shirt.